Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove CapCut Watermark 1. Launch the CapCut app and click on Templates to choose a template you want to use for your video. 2. Once you select a template, you can make further changes to it as you like, such as adding media files, cropping, adding music and video effects, etc. 3. When you are done editing your video, tap on Export in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Export without watermark to remove the watermark in the CapCut video template. You have learned how to remove CapCut watermark. Thank you for watching our guide.